folks? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Hey, with another video here. And in this video, listen closely, please. I'm going to show you basically how to earn up to $70 per minute on the computer, okay? Now listen, all you need is a PayPal account. I'm gonna show you the site. I'm gonna show you proof that it works, and you can do this right now. Listen, I'm an internet marketer. I've made millions of dollars online, and I created this channel here with you to show average people, okay, how to make money on a computer by spending $0. So here we go. Here's the site right here. And let me show you how it works, okay? Because you may be thinking, well, how am I gonna make $70 per minute? Let me show you. This site right now is trusted by Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, and Allstate, okay? So all these companies do recommend and they use this site. So basically, they're gonna pay you money to take tests. Now listen, I'm not talking about the SAT, the ACT. I'm talking about tests that these companies, they do surveys, they do tests, and they're gonna pay you a bunch of money, okay? And this is all you have to do, okay? Check it out. You must have Google Chrome, check. Like, don't use Safari, don't use Internet Explorer. You have to have Google Chrome. You have to have a computer with a microphone, check, please. A high-speed internet connection, check, please. You must be 18 years old, check, please. And you must have the ability to communicate in English, okay? All my English speakers say, let's get it. Let's go, folks. All right, here we go. You must have a PayPal account as well. And you just click here to sign up. And what I'm going to do is, to prove to you that this works, I'm going to sign up with you, okay? Is that cool? So you click the word sign up, and let me show you something here. They pay how much money will I make and how will I be paid. Right here. Payments vary on the test. However, many of the students or studies pay $10 to $70 range. So that's talking about you. So listen, imagine just taking a test on this website and making $10 to $70. Let me ask you a question. Would you ever work a job ever again? No, sir. So let me show you how it works. You click here to sign up. Is everybody with me here? So what you're going to do is, let me tell you the name of the site. I'm sorry. The name of the site is validatedtt.com, okay? Look, validately.com, all right? See, you don't even have to speak English, but you got to know how to read the website here. So I'm going to go to the website here. It's validatedly.com. Guys, I like to have fun, right? If you love some Wesley Virgin, hit the like and share button. Let's go! All right, so look, validately.com is the website that you're going to go here, okay? Give me a second. Here it goes. Get paid to test. You see that? Get paid to test. And you're going to hit the word start making money here. Create an account, okay? What type of mobile device? So you have the questions here. You have to answer. iPhone here. Done deal. Next. Mac. Next. So these are the questions that you have to answer. Look how easy. This is free. Listen, I do this and I'm rich, okay? So I know many people that use this site because they're endorsed by Amazon. They're endorsed by Microsoft. And all you have to do is take tests in your bed. Look at my feet. Look, guys. Look at my feet if you love my long, big, juicy feet. Hit the like button. Let's get it. All right, look. Hit next here, okay? I like to have fun, folks. If you're not having fun and making money, you're doing the wrong thing, okay? Male. How many people are actually doing this with me? When was I born? Well, I was born in 1990. Let's get it. I'm 25, folks. You know, maybe that's still incorrect. But whatever, you can lie, it doesn't matter. So basically, how you fill out these questions, let me get to the end. I have less than a high school graduate education. As you can see here, I'm not that smart, but yet I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm unemployed because I never worked for a boss or a manager or a supervisor until I die. So that's next there. I earn over $125,000 a year. How about a week? Let's get it. So the thing is, you fill out these answers honestly here My name is Wesley Virgin. And for everybody that wants to know if I'm a virgin, if you hit the like and share button and comment below and ask me, Wesley, are you really a virgin? I will answer that question for you, okay? Next, what's your email? We'll put an email right here. It's going to be, I'm going to put a fictitious email. I'm not going to put my real email here because I don't want too many people reaching out to me, emailing me, because you can always email me in the link below. I always put a link in the description below if you want me to work with you to help you start making money right now on the computer, okay? Parking meters, here we go. Validate that. And next, PayPal email. So listen, you have to have a PayPal account, okay, for this to work. Just go to the website right there. You see that? Validately.com. Whatever your PayPal is, I'm going to put a fictional PayPal in here as well. Don't email that address because it is not me. Okay. Traffic lights here. And remember, hey guys, if I deserve a like and a sub right now, and if you want to cash up right now, go ahead and like, share, and sub, and I'm gonna bless you right at the end of this video. Okay, is that cool? All right, crosswalks here. I can't stand these things, right? Okay, I don't see any more crosswalks here. Okay. Duplicate PayPal. All right, let's just make something up. Boats. Okay, great. All right, so there we go. Choose a password. I'm gonna make up a password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. It's not secure enough. Why? All right, there we go. Detect my location. It only takes about 2 minutes to fill this out, right? Yes, I agree. Do it one more time. The stupid captchas here. All right, can't stand these things, but whatever. If they're gonna pay me $70 a minute, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Kind of get an amen. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, here we go. Sign up. Is everybody with me? Now, it's very important for you to read this, okay? So as you put your cash apps below, and as you like this video and share this, pay very close attention. You must pass your screener test, okay? So everybody, like tonight, you can do this today. Right now, you can do this. What they want you to do is this. They want you to take a test. You must use Chrome, okay? You must use a recent operating system. Do not use Windows Vista or XP. Make sure you have a microphone that's turned on. You're going to read each task out loud, okay? Speak your thoughts. Listen, they're going to pay you to speak your thoughts, okay? How many of you have thoughts and ideas? If you speak it, they will pay you. You're going to answer the follow-up questions. Take the test in a quiet place. No background noise. No TV, no music, no talking here, okay? And we will review your 1-minute screener test in the coming week. And you'll get an email telling you passed. And then what happens, you're going to start getting emails. And basically, you're going to be testing websites, okay? That's it. They're going to pay you to test websites. They pay up to $70 a minute to do that because it takes about a minute or two to do the website and you're done. Now, how many of you can take the screener test? Now, I would do it right now, but I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time. I just wanted to give you value. This works. I know thousands of people that do this because I'm in the internet marketing industry. How many of you are going to take the screener test now? Hit the like button. I'm curious. This is the simplest test on the planet here. You can be blind and you will pass this test. Seriously, it's really easy. And they will start sending you emails every single day. You take these tests, you test websites and they pay you up to $70, okay? Per test. It's insane, right? This is Wesley. Listen. Stop. I love you. I care about you. But remember this. Before you decide to like, share this video, remember in life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Okay? I have a lot of videos about making money online. And yes, you got to put some effort. But remember this. Never forget this, young people. For all my YouTubers, for all my teenagers, for all my older people in life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. If you want a better life, you have to picture a better image every single day. Okay? And that happened for you. Why? Because it happened for young black guy out of Houston, Texas. It happened for me. I love you guys. This is Wesley. Let's